Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to enable Vibrate for Messenger admin notifications. If you've ever missed an important notification because you didn't feel your phone buzz, this quick update will make sure you never miss one again. It's easy to do, and I'll show you exactly how. First, start by going to your phone's settings. This is where all the control options for your apps and notifications are located. Once you're inside, scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on it to open up the list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, look for Messenger in that list. When you find it, tap to open the app's settings. Inside, you'll see several options specific to Messenger. What you're looking for here is called Notifications. Go ahead and tap on that option. Once inside Notifications, you'll see a menu called Notification Categories. This is where your phone separates different types of alerts within the app. Each category can be controlled individually, which is great for tailoring exactly how you want to be notified. Now, locate the category labeled Admin. This category is dedicated to admin-related notifications, so if you manage groups or pages, this is the one you want to adjust. Tap on it, and then look for the Vibrate setting. The final step is simple. Just toggle on Vibrate. Once you do this, every admin notification from Messenger will cause your phone to buzz, making it much easier to notice right away, even when your sound is off. That's all it takes. Just a few quick taps, and your Messenger admin alerts will always come through with a vibration. It's a small change, but it can make a huge difference in staying on top of notifications and making sure you don't miss anything that requires your attention. If this guide helped you, consider keeping your settings in mind for other apps too, because customizing them can really improve how you manage your phone each day.